My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and at the moment it's a rather cramped one because I've been shopping and I've bought myself some nice hardwood plywood. I nearly said hardboard. Hardboard, that's horrible. Oh, makes me ears on the back of my neck stand up. Don't use hardboard, that's horrible. Use plywood. And this is hardwood plywood. It's only 5.5mm thick, but it's quite strong for what it is. And I'm going to use it for my bulkhead and to divide all my cupboards up underneath my bed. It's actually going to form the boxes using that framework that I showed you the other day in the previous video. This is what I'm going to line it all with, and it's yeah, it's good stuff. And you can treat this, you can paint it, you can varnish it, makes it all waterproof, unlike hardboard. Yeah, don't use hardboard, leave that to the flat pack people. Now today it is absolutely chucking it down outside. It's raining, it's windy, so I need to seek refuge underneath a motorway bridge if it doesn't improve. Just like this little fella here has sought refuge in my van, I need to find refuge under a railway bridge. Well, it's a bit shy, I think. He's quite happy sitting there. I just opened the door and it jumped in. And someone told me off the other day for using the cat as clickbait. And they said, where's the cat in the video? There's no cat. You've put a cat on the thumbnail, but there's no cat in the video. Well, here she is. Say hello. Mate, what's your name? Poppy. This is Poppy. There you go. With a bit of luck now I've got a bit of cat in me video, maybe it'll go viral. You've got to do something funny and cute. You're never going to get any subscriptions if you don't. You just lay there like a lazy cat. Nothing's going to happen, mate. You've got to get up and do stuff. No, she ain't going to do anything. There you go. If you like me cat, give me a thumbs up. Now, could you believe that somebody actually left this cat on a church doorstep in a cardboard box along with her sister? Unbelievable. Oh, she spotted something. Maybe she'll do something cute. What is she doing? Oh, we'll leave her to play. Oh no, she's definitely spotted something. Look. Yeah, somebody left her in a cardboard box outside a church. How horrible is that? But there you go, she's in good hands now. What do you think? Right, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to get working on my van, if she'll let me. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to hopefully do all my box work, but like the cat, I might have to seek refuge underneath a motorway bridge because it is rather windy out there. If I open in back doors, this piece of wood's just going to fly off. Yeah, look at that wind. I might even have to wait for it to die down a bit. So I'm going to have a coffee and see if things settle down. Right, see you in a bit. Time of day again, it's starting to get dark already. That's the trouble with winter, just no daylight. So I thought I'd quickly show you the boot. So this is what the boot's going to look like underneath the bed. This is the bed platform. I'm quite pleased with the progress I've made. I haven't cut this to size yet, it's just resting on there. Just wanted to show you, give you a rough idea what it's going to look like. So that's the boot. I'll jump inside and I'll show you what the cupboards look like. So back inside the van, there's my bed base. I can't wait to put my mattress on there, and yeah, I'm going to have some nice big cosy in there, nice snug as a bug in a rug, as they say. And below my bed is my cupboards. There you go, coming together nicely now. I'm quite pleased with my progress. There'll be a door here and a door here. Yeah, a door there, and this one's going to open like that. So when I slide my extension out from my bed, the door will actually support that suspension, support that extension along with the work surface as well, because the bed will slide on top of that and the door, make it nice and solid. That's how that's going to work. Now my gas cupboard is here. That's the lid for my gas cupboard. Underneath it's going to have a door as well. This is going to be closed off. This will become a bench, but the front part will be exposed so I can slide stuff under there like my dirty shoes and whatever, I can just slide it under that bench. That's going to be open. So here there'll be a door, so I can pull my gas bottles out from underneath there. I can open the top, open the lid, undo the gas bottles, and then pull the gas bottles out from underneath, making it nice and user friendly. Because I like to keep things user friendly. Kind of guy I am. Now, the Camping International have phoned me. They've got me circuit board for my fan, so I'm going to shoot up there now. But first I'm going to have a coffee, because you can tell you can tell my mood has calmed down, because I need coffee. Once I've had a coffee, I'll perk back up again, literally. So I'm going to have a coffee before I get on the road. I need that little boost. And I'm going to go and get my circuit board for my fan. I'm going to wrap this video up now. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you want to. But most importantly, don't forget to leave a comment. And feel free to talk among yourselves. Right, I'm going to call it a day. Ta-da for now. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.